For the second part, you need to install the extension pack. So for that, just click on the link again. You're gonna be redirected to VirtualBox one more time, and then right below VirtualBox extension pack, there's a link over here. You just click on the link. It's gonna start to download the extension pack. After you download that, you want to open your VirtualBox, go to Preferences, and then Extensions, and then right here on the right, Add New Package. Select the extension pack you just downloaded, then open, install, scroll down until you see the I agree, then yes, and then okay.